Everyone, today is the 46th day of recording the video, and that was the challenge of mine, and it was for the 60 days, and there is a 46th day. So I'm just eagerly waiting for the moment to complete my task. Because of completing a task, it gives me a satisfaction, it boosts my testosterone level, and it gives me kind of a happyful moment, like I have did something in my whole life. And I want to inform you, like there is my priorities, like what I want to do in my whole life. So first of all, I want to become the fighter pilot. I want to fly the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI Rafale, and also for the training I will fly if I have become flying fit and I have cleared the AFSB. That will I definitely clear it. So if I have cleared the AFSB and cleared the CPSS and become medically fit and become the meritin, then I will in the training I will fly the Pilatus PC-7, and then Kiran Mark first and second, and then HAT Hawk Mark 132. And these are the aircrafts I want to fly. And I want to told you, like, why I'm just eager for to join the defense forces. So I want to take more responsibility rather than civilian life. I want to give a too much honorable status for me, for my family, and sir, defense gives the chance to back the country and be part of something that is larger than me. And sir, I want to feel the pride of the uniform of the defense. And sir, in the defense there are the people who have a brotherhood. So I want to work with the people that have camaraderie and brotherhood. And sir, defense gives the direct access to serve my nation. And sir, reason becoming the fighter pilot is that I want to fly the Rafale, and I want to join the Air Force, and also I want to fly the Sukhoi, and I love to flying the Sukhoi. And the reason is that I want to become the fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force, not in the army in aviation or navy aviation. And I want to fly the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. And like the reason is Sukhoi flying, like the Sukhoi has a thrust vectoring power, and Sukhoi has high wing span. Through the thrust vectoring power, Sukhoi gets high maneuverability, high agility, and also through the canards it can enhances their agility, maneuverability, and also has high wing span. Through it can get more amount of fuel. And also Sukhoi has a canards and thrust vectoring, and also Sukhoi have too much weapon capability, like 12 to 14 hard points. And these are the things that I want to fly the Sukhoi Su-30 MK.